Hello everybody, welcome. I'm the old food guy. Now today, there's something I've seen online and I can't find it anywhere since I've seen it. I can't remember what it's called, but it's something to do with the air fryer. But I remember how to make it. Something nice and simple. So let me show you what I got and let's show you what we're going to do. Right then, so what I've got is, I've got one egg. I've just put it in a bowl. I need one slice of bread. I just used brown. He used white, the bloke who done it, but I don't suppose it matters. Condensed milk. Mayonnaise. Bit of pepper to taste. And a bit of butter. First things first I want to do is butter the bread. Right, bread's buttered, only one side. You only need one side. It's a bit of an hole in that bread. I don't know if it's going to work with the hole in, but we'll check. We'll find out. You want the condensed milk. You want to pour a bit of that on here. I might leak that, to be honest, because I've got an hole in my bread. But we're going to try it anyway. Bit of condensed milk. Spread it on. So it all soaks in. A little bit more. Get all the edges. Lovely. Now you want your mayonnaise. So I can't remember for the life of me where I saw it now. I don't know if it was on TikTok or on YouTube or what. Spread this all around the edge. Nice and thick. There we go, like that. Now you want to get your egg in the middle. This is going to be the fun part. Especially because my bread's got an hole in it. Like so. And then we put it in the air fryer. It says to 6 to 10 minutes depending on how you like your egg. So let's get the air fryer on and we'll do that. Well, I've warmed my air fryer up for a couple of minutes. I've got to get that into the air fryer. This is the fun part. Probably end up breaking it. So if we can get it in without it breaking. In. There you go, that's in. It's got to go in for like 6 to 10 minutes, depending on how you like the egg. So we'll put that in there. Put that on there so you can see. I'll check after. Sorry. Forgot the pepper. Put a bit of pepper on it for the taste. I know it's like eggy bread, but it's not eggy bread, is it? So I can't remember what he called it. But it looks yummy. Let's taste it. Let's cook it, I mean. We'll put it on for about 6 minutes, I think. And then we'll check it. So I'll bring you back in 6 minutes. Right, that's on its last minute now. Might have to go in a bit longer, I think, but should be right ready to finish any minute now, I think. There we go, that's just finished. So let's have a quick look. I don't think it's going to be ready yet, but we can have a look. Oh, okay. Oh, that looks nice. Is that egg cooked? Yes, egg's cooked. Look at that. It's a little stunner, that, isn't it? It's all in the taste though, but that looks very nice. Right, let's get it out. There you go, I had a bit of a problem getting it out, bent a bit. But it looks nice. I don't know whether that egg could have done with another minute, to be fair. But you get the general idea. Let's give it a cut open. Oh, look at the gooiness of the egg. I mean, the egg could have probably had 1 more minute, I suppose. Looks nice though. Let's give it a little taste. Bit of bread, bit of egg. Hey, just something nice and simple. Let's try it. Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. Jesus. Well done that man. I can't remember who it was, otherwise I'll leave a link. That is stunning. Absolutely brilliant. Oh, the sweetness in that. Gorgeous. As I say, we had a... That's amazing. Oh wow. That thicker bread, probably be a lot better. So that's only thin bread, that, from Aldi. But that's absolutely gorgeous. I'm sorry to say, that is brilliant. Wow. The sweetness in that is amazing. Obviously that's the condensed milk, but that's gorgeous. I mean, that mayo with it as well. Oh my god. That's 100% thumbs up from me. Where's my thumb? There it is. That is absolutely superb. There you go, nice simple quick one for you today. Try it in your Aldi air fryer. Or in any air fryer, to be fair. But it's stunning. It's absolutely stunning. And that was in for 6 minutes without the air fryer being warmed up. As I say, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye. Bit more of this. This is brilliant. It's gorgeous. So about 1 more minute with the egg, or 30 seconds with the egg. It'd have been perfect. Bye.